Cosmo Sapiens, welcome back. Hope you're all fine and healthy. We all know that a dollar has more value than rupee, isn't it? Indian rupee and US dollar are some of the major currencies in the world. US dollar overpowers Indian rupee by a great margin. But did you ever think of the reasons behind this difference? So, let's take a look on how rupee got depreciated.
So, if we go back to our roots, at the time of our independence, India adopted a par value system related to IMF, Indian Monetary Fund. So clearly, Indian rupee was no way down to American dollar. That is, 1 Indian rupee is equals to 1 US dollar. If it was so, why dollar has more value than rupee?
Reason: exchange rate production. For this, let's take an example. For first year, if America produced 100 tomatoes using $100 and India produced 100 potatoes using 100 rupees. Now, the exchange rate is $1 equals to 1 rupee, so that each dollar can buy each potato and each rupee can buy each tomato. Next year, America used $100 and produced 200 tomatoes, but India still produced 100 potatoes using 100 rupees. Now, America increased its exchange rate to $1 equals to 2 rupees. It means 1 tomato equals to 2 potatoes.
Now, India can buy only 50 tomatoes using 100 rupees, but India wants to buy all 100 tomatoes, so it doubles its rupees. And it buys 100 tomatoes for 200 rupees. America can happily buy all 100 potatoes using $50 as exchange rate is increased. It also saves $50. And because the India increased making of currency notes, American market increased the exchange rate to $1 is equals to 4 rupees as currency value deciding factor is in market's hand.
A given example is a situation of India's and America's marketing economy. In case if India had increased its goods production, then Indian currency would have been same that of American currency. Currently, India's currency making is estimated 31 trillion rupees, whereas America's currency making is estimated $13.8 trillion only.
Since the production is less and demand in India is more, its importing bill is increasing than the exporting bill. Whereas in America, the production is more, hence importing bill is less than exporting bill. Dollar has more value on top of many factors, so it is used as international currency.